morning friends, my name is Kalyani Tatte and today's topic is proteins. Proteins is a macronutrient that is essential to build muscles. It is found in animal products and plant products as well as such nuts and legumes. They are large, complex molecules that play many critical roles in our body. They do most of the work in our cells and required for the structure, function, regulation of the body, tissues and organs. Proteins are made up of small units called as amino acids which are attached to one another in large chains. There are 20 different types of amino acids that can be combined to make protein. Amino acids coded by a combination of 3 DNA building blocks determined by sequence of genes. Classification of protein, they based on the following type. Classification based on structure of protein consists fibrous protein, globular protein and intermediate protein. Then second one based on the composition, it consists of simple composition and complex composition. Then based on the function, then it is divided into further 7 types, that is structural protein, enzymes, hormones, respiratory pigment, transport protein, storage protein and toxins. Then functions of the protein involved, they are vital for the growth and repair and their function are endless. They are also have a enormous diversity of biological function and most important final product of information pathways. Third one involved, they act as a structural component such as keratin for hairs, nails, collagen of bone. They are molecular instrument through which genetic information is expressed. They are involved in blood clotting through thrombin and other protein factor. Source of protein, both animal and plant foods can be excellent source of protein. The guidelines classify the following foods into the protein foods. First one is the seafood, eggs, legumes which include beans and peas, then nuts, seeds, dairy product, animal product. Then protein deficiency consists of protein energy undernutrition, previously called protein energy malnutrition. It is an energy deficient but due to the deficiency of all macronutrients. It is commonly include deficiencies of many micronutrients. It can be sudden and total or gradual. Protein involved element, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Monomer present in it, that is amino acid. It consists of 20 different amino acids. Polymer is protein. Then examples of hemoglobin in red blood cells, albumin in eggs, enzymes that consist reaction in body. Thank you.